If you're having a problem where the Instagram stories are looking blurry when you upload them, then let's go over a couple of fixes. If you're on your mobile data, then try switching that off and then find a fast and stable internet connection. And vice versa, if you're already using a Wi-Fi connection that may be slow or unstable, then switch to your mobile data because you need a fast internet speed in order for your stories to turn out clear and high quality when you upload them. Hop over to a website called speedtest.net, and this site is going to measure the quality of your internet speed. If your upload is higher than 2 or 3 megabytes, then the internet speed is not the problem in this case. So what you're going to do then is to open the App Store on your iPhone or your Google Play Store on Android, and then just update your Instagram app if it has any pending updates. This will ensure you get the bug fixes and the performance improvements which may fix the issue with the blurry stories. And fix number 3 is to go over to your Instagram profile page. After that, tap on the 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down towards the bottom until you see this media quality option. The first switch, called Use Less Cellular Data, must be disabled, and the second one, called Upload at Highest Quality, must be turned on. And that's it for this video, everyone. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and tell me if these steps fixed your problem.